internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ZENPOP box unboxing video for you. I think this is February's box. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to add except let's just get right into the unboxing. So I have the slip, put that aside, and then yeah, February Hedgehog Garden. That is interesting. I think I'm getting really used to seeing February as like the month of love, just like Kawaii Box did a Valentine's version, so I figured maybe ZENPOP might do that too. But I like that they've kind of taken a different take because there's only so much like lovey-dovey heart stuff I can deal with. Alright. So, let's take the, is this a pen? Yes. Is this a pen? Yes. Okay. Interesting pens. I'm gonna put the pens aside and we'll test that out at the end of the video. Okay, so what is this? Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a little sequency notebook. Notebook? Okay, yeah, it's like a magnetic closure. And yeah, it's like a normal lined, adorable, cute notebook. I love how small it is. Okay. Then, oh yeah, I know these ones. I've had these when I was a kid. These are basically erasers with the roller. Let me open it up so I can show you guys. See if I can zoom in anymore. But I apologize if the focus is not on point. My camera is not happy. So the top section is an eraser. So you can use this to, you know, erase any pencil mistakes. And then usually how you get those like loose what is it? Just like, you know, those loose bits after you've used your eraser, then you can roll this over it and it picks it up and stores it in here, and then when you're done you just empty it in the bin, so then you don't have a ton of them all over the table. And I know for me personally I just kind of like brush them into a bin, but this might be good if you're out somewhere and you don't have a bin and you don't want to like throw it on the floor or anything, because I know most people probably would do that, but it's a nice option to have to keep things clean. I collected these when I was a teenager. I used to have like a little dinosaur version, so I found these really handy. And post-it notes, all black sticky note. The only thing is that you're going to need like a white pen, and I am still hunting for the perfect white pen. I have the Sakura Jelly Roller that a lot of people have recommended, but I don't find it as inky. So I almost feel like I'm going to do maybe one day a haul of a bunch of white pens and we'll just test them out. Maybe we'll do that. And then I can save this for that video. And then we have notebook. Oh yeah. It's like a to-do list. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Ah, okay. It's kind of like a little like notebook to-do list, and it is sticky, so you can like stick them into planners, but you can, let me bend this a little bit. Yep, there we go. So it's kind of, you take this part off. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to do it because I know I'm going to keep this. Just take that off, and then you have a little notebook. But maybe you do this properly and it's not so messy, but yeah, that's cute. And ooh, little mini letter set. I love using these when I send some of the packages from my shop to certain customers. Sometimes customers have just ordered a lot and I just want to say thank you. Sometimes there's something special about their order that I just want to let them know about. So I used to use post-it notes and stick them on, but now I've really been using these letters for it. It's just a nice little cute touch. Then we have some hedgehog stickers. Oh, they're like foiled. I think these are foiled. I'm trying to get into the habit of opening everything up. I'm in two minds about that, right? Because I give a lot of stuff away. Obviously, you guys see me unbox a lot of things, so I don't want to open everything, especially if I know I'm going to give it away. But at the same time, you guys have come to this video so you can actually see things properly, so you can tell whether you want to spend your money on it or not. So I feel like I also owe it to you to open everything. But yeah, there we go. And they're pretty flat. Like, they're not, I don't know, like I wouldn't consider these like, oh, a little bit. The flowers feel a little bit raised, but the hedgehogs feel pretty flat. It's definitely not like a traditional paper sticker, which is completely flat. They have a little bit of a belving to them, but they're not puffy at all. And then the last one are some paper clips, like hedgehog paper clips. Ooh, there you go. You can see it here. You've got little hedgehog paper clips and little apple paper clips. That's so cute. Alright, that's everything in the ZENPOP box. I'm going to put this box down and let's test out those pens. Okay, so these are the 3 pens that came with the box this much. We have 2 from Artline. I've seen these before, but I don't think I've ever used them. I'm not sure, but you can join these up, right? Like, that's the point of these, like, tentacle-looking sections. Yeah. So you can, like, combine them. I guess, like this, so they stick together if you want. And then this one is I already know I'm gonna like this one. It's a Zebra Sarasa gel pen. I already featured Zebra Sarasa as one of my favorites in my 2018 favorites. So I know I'm gonna like this, but I know I don't have this one because it's more of a pastel color. I have a lot more vibrant colors. So yeah, let's test out this one first. I'm pretty confident. Okay, so I think this is a 0.5, yeah. 0.5 is the pretty like standard average, so I feel like that's one you're gonna mostly see. Let's zoom in and hope the focus is on. There we go. All right, I'm trying to write in a way that you can see still the pen without blocking it, because I had the tendency to do this a lot. Let's see. Oh, I like that. That's really inky. It's kind of fluoro-y though. For some reason I thought it might be more pastel, but it's coming up a little bit more fluoro. Then we have the two Artline Blocks pens. One is a drawing pen, one is a mechanical pencil. Let's do the mechanical pencil because it has this little thing here that's kind of like poked out, whereas the pen doesn't have that. And I think this is to push the lead through. So if we open this, yeah, okay. It's pretty much a mechanical pencil. Oh, it's comfortable here. It's not comfortable here. And there we go. Okay. I don't know, like, can I push this back in? So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like without any lead coming through. I didn't find this very comfortable to use. Just something about it doesn't feel super comfortable. Okay, maybe it was the way I'm writing. When I hold it like this, it's a little bit easier. If I try to do it like this to show you guys, it makes it a little harder to write with. No, it's a lot better when I hold it more naturally. All right. I'm very sorry if I block you guys and you can't see because I have to hold it like this. Maybe I can have like a camera on the side next time to show you if it's really an issue. But yeah, actually it's quite comfortable. It's still weird to have all this stuff here. I don't know whether over time that might like grate on me, but yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. I don't have anything like this. Like I don't have any of these Artline Blocks pens at all. All right, so now we're gonna try the drawing pen. I'm kind of curious to know what this will look like. Oh yeah, it's kind of like a felt tip. Oh yeah, it's really nice. It's very inky, but not too inky. And it's very comfortable. It feels exactly like the pencil, very comfortable to hold. I'm still weirded out by these like dots though. Okay, and if we flip over, then there's no bleed through. There is, oh my goodness, somebody told me like shadow through or something. I'm gonna get the name wrong, I'm so sorry, but I did read it in the comments. But yeah, there's no actual bleed through. So that's everything in February's ZENPOP box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite product was. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.